Bullish Elrond cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $174.29 and $379.57 by 2030. Market investigators accept Egld could reach $174.29 by 2025. Bearish Elrond market cost expectation for 2022 is $30.99. Elrond presentation. Numerous digital money projects are using the advantages of the DeFi innovation to get the eventual fate of their tasks and accomplish a full condition of organization versatility. Elrond is one of those conventions that is centered around building an inventive blockchain foundation with a state sharding plan, a blockchain arrangement that permits hubs to some extent control the framework state, which helps fabricate the organization structure. This organization has released another condition of computerized engineering and innovation. Be that as it may, in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this Elrond environment, its cost exhibition since its creation, the group and values behind the capability of its organization, and our future cost expectations. With the erratic developments in the digital currency market, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the exhibition of your speculation would be with the guide of cutting-edge specialized examination apparatuses and expectation specialists. What is Elrond? Elrond Network, additionally alluded to as Egld, was established in 2017 in Romania by two programming engineers Benemin Mincu and Lucian Mincu. However, the mainnet took some time prior to sending off in July 2020 because of high objective turn of events. Egld is a blockchain framework that uses sharding for expanding chain versatility and exchange speed while applying the security of the verification of stake agreement instrument. It has a greatest stock of 31,415,926 Egld tokens, which is expanded yearly, however thusly diminishes the marking compensations in the organization. This will influence the rate at which expansion of the coin develops as it continually diminishes. However, the evidence of stake validators would act as one more method for exchange check on the convention. This blockchain has supported the disposal of PC waste and protection of energy while focusing on their uprightness through a remarkable component that permits the different handling of information exchanges in a similar block, which speeds up at a high rate. Elrond Center designers accept that the Egld organization can deal with in excess of 15,000 exchanges each second at an expense of $0. This guarantee was demonstrated when Elrond arrived at 260,000 exchanges each second in a test climate with in excess of 1,000 hubs. This is a colossal accomplishment contrasted with the other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Torrential Slide. The Elrond local token is utilized in marking, compensating validators, and installment of organization expenses also. The simplicity of activity is to such an extent that Elrond can be run on PCs without the requirement for cutting-edge mining processors, which makes it amateur cordial and modest to make do. Elrond is the principal network that permits the synchronous execution of the relative multitude of three attributes of sharding parts in their convention plan. Its focal center is network security, as enduring interior dangers and outside attacks was planned. Egld has extraordinary potential as a result of its high-scale security framework plan. Borderless exchanges, execution of shrewd agreements, permissionless computerized economy, and dynamic local area. Elrond Essential Examination. Elrond organization sent off their Mayar trade, a DeFi convention that gives a stage to clients to give liquidity to pools and furthermore buy Egld tokens straightforwardly from their application because of their organization with MoonPay. This cooperation gave Egld admittance to that biggest retail economy and furthermore supported the convergence of money to the convention as additional engineers and more people get parts of the token. The token got recorded on many significant stages like Binance, KuCoin, and OKEX. The organization keeps building broad measures to guarantee the appropriate conveyance of its foundation to additional people as its guide express. Egld is an imposing power in the security area of the digital currency market. Elrond likewise collaborated with Copper, a computerized care supplier, and has put forth many attempts in the development of digital currency schooling by financing crypto foundations. Elrond current cost. Elrond is as of now worth $38.73 USD. Egld has moved 0.67% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,096,414. Elrond is as of now positioned 40 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $923,395,010 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Elrond to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Elrond Value Expectation 2022. Elrond, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Egld cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $58.10. similarly as with other digital currencies. The ascent will be steady, however, no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $54.22 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Egld is supposed to have a base worth of $46.48. Elrond Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Elrond Egld cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Egld will before long outperform $96.83. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Egld's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Egld will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $77.46 and a typical exchanging cost of $85.21. Elrond Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Egld is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $123.94 and a low of $116.20 in 2024. Elrond Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Elrond effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Egld coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Egld will be green in 2025. The Egld is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $174.29, with a base cost of $154.93 and a typical cost of $162.67. Elrond Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Egld cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $201.40 by 2026, with a base cost of $193.66 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Egld has a most extreme value worth of $213.02. Elrond Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $240.14. In the event that Egld figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $251.76. Neglecting to accumulate the help Egld needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $232.39. Elrond Value Expectation 2028. While Egld is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $271.12 and a yearly cost close above $290.49 in 2028. Elrond Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Elrond will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $309.85 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $329.